ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा। ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अद्य किञ्चित्
अध्यापकस्य दिनस्य अभिनन्दनानि. Is that right? Wanted to greet you for Teachers' Day.
धन्यवादः।
शिक्षक दिवसस्य अभिनन्दनानि.
Today we will do halanta pullinga shabda. शिक्षकदिनस्य शिक्षिकादिनस्य इति न शिक्षकदिनस्य हलन्तपुल्लिङ्गशब्दाः भवन्तः एतत् पठन्तु।
हलन्त इत्युक्ते किम्?
हलन्त अचः अचः हलः इति। अचः स्वराः स्वराक्षराः अचः इति उच्यन्ते। व्यञ्जनाक्षराणि हलन्त शब्दाः इति।
अच अच इत्युक्ते किम्?
अच अच अचः स्वराः इति पाणिनीयसूत्रमस्ति। सो स्वराः अचः इत्यपि वदन्ति।
अचः उदाहरणं
अ आ इ ई उ ऊ
सर्वं स्वराक्षराणि सन्ति किल।
अचः व्यञ्जनानि हलन्तः
नकार नकारान्त राजन् तकारान्त
तकारान्त जकारान्त नकारान्त।
वै किं हलन्त किमर्थं? हलन्
शब्दस्य अन्ते प्रातिपदिकम् अस्ति किल, तत्र हलन्तः अस्ति। अतः
Halant is a line we draw, right?
You were trying to tell something about Hal, right? Hal. That's what I was trying to understand. Why it is Halanta. Hal.
पठन्तु एकवारम् एतत् पठन्तु तदनन्तरम् अवगम्यते।
सुधामा श्रीमन् अहं भवतः शिक्षार्थी भवितुम् इच्छामि। अहं भवतः शिक्षार्थी भवितुम् इच्छामि. Okay, Sudhama basically is telling to someone, sir, I want to become a student. I would like to become a student.
Your student bhavitum?
Bhavatah shiksharthi bhavitum ichchami. I would like to.
Bhavitum.
Bhavata is your, right?
And
bhavitum is would like to.
Like to.
Hari Ram Tripathi Astu Sudhaman Kim Adhetum Ichhasi. Hari Ram Tripathi, his teacher's name maybe. So he's saying, okay, Sudhaman, what do you like to study? But what is Sudhaman is which form?
Sudhaman Sudhama eva. अस्तु सुधामा,
Ah,
किम् अध्येतुम् इच्छसि?
oh.
सम्बोधना नास्ति, सम्बोधनप्रथमा नास्ति.
Sudhama is Sambodhana,
हा,
but Sudhaman, I'm not sure. Sudhama, Bhagavad Gitaam adhetum ichhami. I would like to study Bhagavad Gita. Harirama Tripathi, Bhagavad Gitayaha eva adhyanam kimartham. So why would you like Gitayaha? Off. Okay, so why would you like to do the study of Bhagavad Gita?
Only, right? Eva meaning only. No?
Why
Only?
Why only?
Why
like
Bhagavad Gita only?
Why study of Bhagavad Gita only? Sudhama, यद्यपि अहम एकत्र अधिकारी अपरत्र समाज सेवी अपि, अतः अहम गीताध्ययने आसक्तिमान अस्मि. Though I am ekatra is ek plus
At one place.
oh, okay. Though I am at one place officer, but other place I am a Samaj Sevi, service social worker also. So that's why I want to study this. I want to get involved into studying this.
I am interested. Aham Gitaadhyayane asaktiman asmi. I am interested in.
Asakti is interest. Okay. Anyone else want to study? Read it.
Okay. Harirama Tripathi. Yogina Krishnena Uktam Geetam Bhavan Itaha Purvam Aditavan Va Yogina like by Krishnena Yogi Krishna, by Yogi Krishna, whatever the Gita which was said by Yogi Krishna, Bhavan, sir, have you read it before? From now, before? Learnt, Aditavan, not read, Aditavan. Learnt it. Have you learned? Sudhama. Anye, Anye, right? Anye kechana etasmin vishaye उत्साहिनः सुहृतः मम परिचिताः सन्ति. तेषु एकः अनुभवशाली वणिकः हलन्तियर् वणिक् त्रयः कुशलिनः भिषजः अन्ये च मम सहोद्योगिनः अधिकारिणः. yes, अन्ये केचन एतस्मिन् विषये for some reason, for etasmin will be on some reason. Vishaye is saptami vibhakti. For some reason, with
no. Kechana is not for Vishaye. Anye kechana utsahinaha suhrutah. Like that you have to take.
Repeat, please. Anye
kechana utsahinaha suhrudah mama परिचिताः एतस्मिन् विषये इच्छुकाः. That's what is the meaning. They are interested. Some अन्ये केचन, some others are interested in this subject, who are enthusiastic. उत्साहिनः सुहृदः मम परिचिताः.
So they introduced me to this, or I was introduced to them?
No, you read further.
मम परिचिताः इत्युक्ते people known to me.
People known to me.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was. Okay. Teshu,
among them,
ekah anubhavashali, experienced experienced merchant or businessman. Vanik trayah kushalinah vishajah.
Bhishaja Vaidya.
Bhishaja is Vaidya. Okay. So three doctors were there.
Qualified
Kushalina.
Experts.
Anye cha mama sahodyoginah udyoginah. So anye rest of them were my peers or colleagues. Adhikarinah, other colleagues, like same officers kind of people. So what does it mean? Yes, I have learned it because of
No, I have not learned it. He is not saying I have learned it. There are.
No, that's what the question, right?
The question was, but it was not answered.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. There were my
he
colleagues.
Says, I have learned. So he's saying but these are all interested people. That's what he's saying.
Okay, there are others
who are not fully answered, you can say.
Yeah.
No, but he has come to learn, right? So I didn't see the answer. Like why other are interested? So what big deal?
No. What is the question here? Yogina Krishnena Uttam Geetam Bhavan itah purvam adhitavan va. Have you learned this before?
Yes.
That's what is the question. He's saying but these people are there to learn.
Yeah, but he has come to learn, right?
Maybe in detail.
Anila Mahoday, Sudama Mahoday is just, he likes to talk. He's giving extra information, which is not needed.
I think next sentence will answer that. Why is he giving that intro?
Okay.
I think we are also quite enthusiastic without reading fully. Harirama Tripathi, etadrushaah vidyarthinah nirantaram kakshyam agamisyanti va. So are they going to come permanently, always?
Regularly.
Etadrushaah, those these students, right? With these kind of students?
Because they're all busy with their regular job related this thing.
So one is a merchant, 3 are doctors, and rest of them are his colleagues. So all these people. Okay. Sudhama nishchayena agamisyanti yatah
Swapna Mahodaye bhavati patatu. This will get over and she will not get a chance.
Sudhama vadati निश्चयेन आगमिष्यन्ति यतः मम सर्वे सुहृदः परिश्रमिणः उत्साहिनः गीतानुरागिणः च निश्चयेन आगमिष्यन्ति. Definitely they will come. यतः मम सर्वे
सुहृदः,
they are my friends, right? Suhruda, hardworking, parishramiणः, Utsahina, enthusiastic. Gita Nuraginaha, interested in Gita and interested in Gita. Okay. Hari Rama Tripathi Vadati Mahan Santoshaha Jataha Bhavatam Sarvesham Gita Kakshyam Prati Swagatam. I'm very happy. Bhavatam, all of you are welcome to the Gita class. Sudhama vadati astu mahodaya punarmilamaha. We'll meet again. Hari Rama Tripathi vadati punarmilamaha.
So अधः दत्तानां शब्दानां प्रातिपदिकं वदत. So now you have to say the प्रातिपदिकं for
Yogi is yogin.
Yogin.
Karma is karma. Karman.
Karman.
Vachaha. Vachaha is vachas.
Vachas.
Bhishak. Bhishak. Bhishak is Bhishak only?
Bhishaj. Jakaranta.
Oh, Jakaranta becomes Kakaranta.
Vacha is vachas.
There is a vibhakti table on vachas. So that's why I remember.
Shabda Manjari?
Not in Shabda Manjari. In our even Pravesha Pustaka.
Pravesha book, 11th book you have.
Okay.
Because I made summary of all my classes, right? So in that I have remembered that vachas.
Bishaj.
Yeah, Saraswati Mother, you want to go?
Okay. So the Bishak is Bishaj, did you say?
Ja. Ja.
Okay. Hrud, Sahrud.
Suhrid.
Suhrid is
Suhrid.
Dakaranta. Suhrid.
Vipaschit.
Takaranta is, I think most of the times it is Dakaranta.
Vipaschit only.
Atman. So maybe because of that only Sudama is Sudaman.
Yes. Ashwatthama.
Simplest is Raja from Rajan.
It sounds like Tamil. Atman.
Actually, Tamil, I find it very interesting. Actually, I don't know much Tamil. We speak Tamil at home, but that classical language I have not learned. But recently, I am learning this Divya Prabandhams by Alvars.
Nalayira Divya Prabandham.
Yeah, it's really amazing. They are all very great composers. Two verses are there. The word with which one verse ends, the next verse will begin with that word.
Yeah.
So beautiful. So many verses they have composed like that. It's really
that is called that kind of poem is called Andadi.
Andadi, yes.
Anta
and
Andadi. Antadi.
I think similarly from there
Abhirami
only.
Abhirami Andadi. Yeah.
I think from similarly the concept of Antakshari also has come. So that last word we start with, last letter, right? So Antakshari. Yes. This is Anta word.
Yes. Very amazing. Okay.
Okay.
Twak.
Twak. Twaj.
Twach. Cha.
Cha. Twach. Walk is.
Walk. I think walk got repeated. Huh? No. Okay.
Vach.
The previous one
walk
you got the hint. No.
Walk is vach. Is it vach?
Watch.
Vartma.
Vartman.
What is Vartma?
Vartma is
Vartamana kalam, like a future.
No, not Vartamana kalam. Now, I'll tell you Vartma. Vakyanam parivartanam kuruta. First one is Vanik Vikrayanam karoti.
Vanijaha Vikrayanam
kurvanti. Here only Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam is done. You have to do all the three. Okay.
Okay. Wait. Let me see that first.
Vanik Pratipadikam is Vanij.
Oh, so
Yogi is Yogin.
Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
वणिक् वणिजौ वणिजः.
वणिक् वणिजौ वणिजः. Okay. Vanik vanija vanijah. So yogi yogin, so it will become yogin yogi rajan, right? Rajanav. So yogi now.
योगी योगिनौ.
Yoginau. I'll tell. Raja Rajanau. Ragya.
No, राजा राजन् शब्दस्य राजा राजानौ राजानः.
So yoginah. Okay. Yogi now.
There is a dirgham there. Raja rajanau rajanah. Yogi yoginau. Yoginau tatra dirgham nasti.
Oh, it is not like Rajan Sabda?
No.
Okay. So yogi and
so yogi is nakaranta pumlinga, right? So yuvan shabda, is it yuvan?
There is there are 3 nakaranta in that book. Atman, Rajan, Gunin.
So yogi will be like Gunin, I think.
Yeah, yogi is Gunin. Gunin Shabda.
Oh, so yogin, gi is harsai. Yogin?
Yogi.
No, in yogin, pratipadikam, it is ikaranta, not ikaranta, dirgha ikaranta.
Yeah.
Hrasva ikaranta. Yogin.
Okay. Yogin, so it is yogi, yogi now. And yogina. Okay. Yogi karma. Yogi. Oh, karma is also there. Karma is karman. Karman then. Karma now. And
karma karmani karmani. Napumsakalingam.
Okay. Karmani. Harsai karanta karmani.
No, karmani dirgham.
Karmani and karmani and karmani.
So karmani prayoga, is that coming from this word?
Karmani prayoga is different.
No, that is
coming from this.
That is harsa ikaranta.
Okay, this is karmani.
This is karmani.
But root word would be karma only.
Yeah, it is based on karma only.
Rikaranta, karma, rikaranta.
Nakaranta, karman.
Karman asti kila.
Karman is karma, karmani,
karmani. Karmani.
There is no word similar. Okay.
Karma is not there in Shabdamanjari.
It's not there, huh?
Nakaranta, some word would be there. Some other word may be there for matching word.
It's okay. It's okay, go ahead.
So what are we trying to do? We are trying to take each word and then doing the Pratama Vibhakti of that?
No, we are trying to convert the singular sentence into plural.
It is there. Karma karmani karmani is there. 14th page. Nakaranta napumsakalinga karman shabdah in Pravesha book.
Pravesha book, okay.
Yes.
14th page?
Yes.
On the 11th book?
11th book.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. 11th chapter you go.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Yogi karma karoti. Yoginau.
Yeah. Yogi karma karoti.
That is an apumsakalinga word. Okay.
Yeah. Yoginaha.
Yoginau.
Dvitiya vibhakti. Okay. Yoginau. Karma will become karmani. Yoginau karmani kurutaha. then yoginah karmani kurvanti.
Yoginah karmani kurvanti.
Saraswati Mother, you want to go?
Saha sannyasi cha yogi cha. Saha tau sannyasinna. It will become then sannyasinau. Sannyasinau cha yoginau cha. Te sannyasinah cha yoginah cha. For me easy because we did it already.
Panditaah samadarshinaha. Panditaah. That is already in
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
In Ekavachanam and Dvivachanam.
Okay.
So that was a trick question for you.
Panditaah Samadarshi. No, Samadarshina. Samadarshi. Panditaah Samadarshi. Okay. Then Panditau Samadarshino.
Te Mahatmanah Sudurlabhaha. Te Mahatmanah Sudurlabhaha. Okay, so this is in Bahuvachana already. So it will become Saha Mahatman. No, Mahatma. Te Saha Mahatma Sudurlabha.
Saha Mahatma Sudurlabha.
Then Tau Mahatma now Sudurlabhav.
Dvivachanam is easy, no?
In Shibiram, they were saying Dvivachanam is very difficult for them.
Oh, because
I think
maybe less practice. Dvivachanam is the least practiced one, right?
I think we learned from the beginning all three vachanas. Those people, they have not been introduced to Dvivachanam. Only, even in the class, most of the time they were doing only Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam.
Yeah, because Pravesha Pustika doesn't talk about Dvivachanam.
Yeah, that's what they were not doing it.
But I think we have learnt more than Pravesha. We are lucky people.
Overqualified for Pravesha.
Okay. Te Veda Vidaha. Saha Vedavit Manik, like something similar to that. Vedavit. Tau Veda. So this is Dakaranta, right? Dakaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Vedavit. Vidjnane asti kila.
Takaranta.
Vidjnane. Tatha eva karaniyam. Vidau. Vidau.
Veda Vidau. Tau Veda Vidau.
What was the Ekvachanam?
Saha Vedavit.
With she said. The.
No.
Dakaranta.
Saha Vedavit. But Pratipadikam is Vidjnane.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is the reason I said it's a Dakaranta Pullingaha, but with it's confusing.
Okay. Anya Bhak. Oh, Ananya Bhak. Mam Bhajate. So this is.
What is Ananya Bhak?
Ananya Bhag, they don't have any other deity. This is a statement from Krishna. So he is saying Ananya Bhag. Those who don't worship anybody, those who fully believe me, they worship me.
Okay. So,
like Protestant Christians, they don't worship any idol. Is it idol worship or no God at all?
They don't have anyhow. They don't have idol worship. No, Christians.
Yeah, Christians, Catholics have, but not Protestants.
No. So what does Ananya Bhag means?
Just one God, one deity.
Mam bhajate is basically don't pray.
No. Right. Mam, me.
Oh, okay. Oh, I read it as
Ma bhajate. Ma bhajate.
So, Ananya Bhag is this is a Ekavachanam
Bhajate.
So
Bhaj.
Banik.
Ananya.
Is it the
Bijau?
Is it Bhaj or Bhaj?
Ananya Bhaj.
Bijau.
Bhajau.
Ananya Bhajau. Oh, Ananya Bhajau.
Like Vanik only here.
Ananya Bhajau. Mam Bhajatau.
Bhajatau va? Bhajate ila atmane.
Bhajate. Bhajate.
Atmanepati.
Bhajate. Ananya Bhajah. Is it Ananya Bhajah? Mam Bhajante. Mam is one only.
No, that also we can make Dvivachanam.
Kimartham.
It won't make sense, right?
No, I am talking
the
about
sentence will not make sense, no?
Grammatically.
For the sake of practice, he wants to change Krishna into multiple Krishnas.
He can show, right, multiple forms.
Vam, Asman.
Asmanau.
Asman.
Asmanau.
Asmanau. Asmana.
Why Asmanau?
Dvivachanam.
Two forms are there.
Oh, okay. Avanau. Or now. Is that now? Yeah, Avam or now? Is that how it is?
It is Dvivachanam, right? So it will become...
That's what I'm saying. Dvivachanam, is it Avam or now? Or is it Avanau?
Avam, now.
Avam is one, now is another form.
Yeah, Avam, now.
Next.
Jayaha te nityas samnyasinah.
Sannyasinaha.
Oh, the Visarga is not there.
Jnayaha te nitya sannyasinaha.
Dot is not there.
It's there.
Then it becomes samnyasinaha, right?
Some means some. Sampurnam nyasam kurvanti. Tataha sannyasinaha. They give up everything. Nyasam is giving up or surrendering, whatever.
What is Jayaha?
Jnayaha. Those with knowledge.
Jnani.
Nyaha te nitya sannyasinaha. So neha is bahuvachanam. Okay. Neha.
Jneyaha.
Neyaha. Neyaha. Saha. Nitya Samnyasi. Sannyasi. Okay.
This is Dirgha. Sannyasi will come there.
So this is Nakara.
Like Karman. Like Karman. Karmani, Karmani. Okay. Then Neha. Neho.
Neyau.
Neyau.
Neyaha. Neyau. Neyaha.
Oh, like Rama Sabda.
So this is like the Gudin Sabda, similar to that only. Sannyasi.
No, Neha is like Rama Sabda.
No, that is Rama Sabda.
Neha, Neo, Neha. Neo, Tao. Nitya,
Sannyasi now.
You already said sannyasi.
Neo, Tao, Nitya Sannyasi no.
Okay. Next. This is about a friend. How a friend should be. What he will do.
Oh, so now I understand. When you said Halanta, it means we are learning about the Pratipadikam which ends in Halanta. That's what you meant by Subhasitam.
Vivaranavantu.
Swapna, Saraswati, do you want to read?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Papani varayati. Yojayati. Papan nivarayati. Yojayate. Hitaya. Guhyam. Niguhati. Gunan prakati. Gunan prakati karoti. Okay. Papa nivarayati. Papa means sins. He will remove the sins. Here I'm just using.
Can you split it?
Papan plus nivarayati.
Papat nivarayati.
Okay. Yeah, because of the okay. Papat nivarayati. Yojayate means uniting it.
Yojayate means to
bring together.
Not bring together. Hitaya yojayate.
Organize.
Hita
is good for goodness.
Well-being. For the well-being.
For well-being. He plans for well-being.
Okay. Oh, yojayate means planning.
Plan, yeah.
Yojana.
Yojana. Okay. Yojayate. Guhyam. Guhyam is secret. Yeah. Guhyam. Niguhat.
Maintains that secret.
Okay.
If that friend has some secrets, he will not reveal it to everybody. He will maintain that secrecy.
Okay. Guna. Gunan prakati karoti. So he will say the good about his good qualities only.
Yes.
I think he's explaining some mitram.
Okay. So to put everything together, a friend is a one who would...
some more are there.
Okay, at this point. Next.
Fine. Please go ahead, Saraswati Madhya. Let's do that. Otherwise, we'll get lost.
Who will remove the sins, or who will help in getting the sins eradicated, kind of a thing. And then he would, with goodness, he will plan. and he will maintain the secrets and also highlight the good qualities.
Good qualities.
Okay. Okay.
Are you reading? I'll read.
You can go ahead.
Okay.
Good.
आपद्गतं च न जहाति ददाति काले सन्मित्रलक्षणमिदं प्रवदन्ति सन्तः. Apad-gatam, bad times, right? And in bad times. Na jahati, does not ditch, does not
ditch.
Does not go away, right?
Yes.
Stands thereby.
Jaha means to tyaga, to
does not give up. Or
ditch is correct. Ditch is correct word only.
Yes.
Want to use some
many
formal
times
language.
It happens, no? We have an emergency. When we believe that person will help, they suddenly will go away. It happens to everybody.
Correct. Dadati kale. In time, he gives.
He means helps, you can say.
Oh, he helps. In time, he helps. Sanmitra lakshana midam. This is quality of a good friend. Pravadanti santaha. Say the wise people. Is that what?
Yes.
It is so, I think another word for ditch may be forego.
Okay.
सुभाषितस्य
वाक्यानाम् एकवचन बहुवचन रूपाणि वदन्तु.
Oh my God!
We'll create. Basically, we are supposed to create our own.
My happiness is short-lived.
I think Lavanya Mahodaya is going to have fun with us. Seeing this, we are struggling. Whoever watches this video.
Okay. So, Papat. Papat is Papan, Papa now.
No. Papat, you keep it Papat only. It's better.
Let him have only one sin.
No, Papan is plural. No, Papat is singular, right?
Okay, you do. If you can, no problem.
So what
Papat
is the
singular? Papat.
Panchami.
Papaha, right? Papaha?
Papam. Punyam papam.
Papam. Papam is then
papam
again
is
it's
since it is a joint word, why do you want to break it? Just do a papan nivarayataha. Dvivachana, right? Or papan nivarayanti. Bahuvachana. Why are you breaking papan?
No, but if you want to make Nivaryanti, wouldn't that also become Bahuvachanam?
No, it's joining, no.
Samasa. Okay.
No, try. Anila Mahodaya, prayatnam karotu.
Karatu. I'm just joking. Please, sorry.
Yeah, understood. I understood your joke. Yeah. So, but I'm trying to understand. So, Papat is the Pratipadikam. And
Papat is not Pratipadikam.
Papam is Pratik. Papat is like a Panchami
Vibhakti. Papat Nivarayati.
From.
Okay. Okay. Oh, then it is. Okay. It's a simple word only. Then I was confused.
Papabhyam.
That is Papat. Then, yeah. Papabhyam and Papabhya.
See, everywhere you have to add this Mitram or Suhrut, whatever you want to add. What does the friend do? So, Mitram, Papat Nivarayati. Like that.
Sanmitram Papat Nivarayati. So that will become So
you're breaking.
Oh, okay, okay. So my question, I will do Dvivachana also or only Bahuvachana? How do I do? Bahuvachana. Okay.
Vivachanamapi. Vivachanamapi karot.
Okay. Sanmitrao pape nivaryatah.
Papabhyam.
Oh, papat, sorry. Papabhyam nivaryatah. Then sanmitre papabhyah nivaryate.
I think we should keep Sanmitraha same, right? We are making that also singular.
Yeah, because see the nivar, if I want to do nivaryanti.
Mitrani.
Mitra. Okay.
Mitram, mitre, mitrani.
Mitram, mitre.
Mitrani.
Okay. Mitram is also Napunsaklinga. Okay. So sanmitram papat nivaryati. Then sanmitre papabhyam nivaryatah. Then sanmitrani papabhyah nivaryanti. In fact, actually, the Sanmitram should be changed because the Nivaryati is referring to Sanmitra. Sanmitra Nivaryati.
Yeah, you're changing, no?
And,
you're doing, right? Sanmitre, you said Sanmitrani, you said.
Yeah. No. Saraswati Modi has a doubt, right? Shall we change Sanmitra also? Because if you want to do plural, we have to change that only. Okay. So let me do one more. I'll try one more. Sanmitra hitaya yojayate. Sanmitram hitaya yojayate. So that will become Sanmitre hitaya.
Hitaya is Chaturthi, no?
Hitaya. So I'm just converting hitabhyam yojayate. Then Sanmitrani.
Yojayati also you can say. Yojayate, yojayati. Both forms are there.
Okay.
Ubhayapadi.
But isn't it yojayate? Isn't it Atmanepadi?
Here it is Atmanepadi, but this also you can do that. So that's.
Oh, okay. Okay. Anyway, I'll try yojayate. Okay. Then the next one is Sanmitrani hitabhyah yojyante.
Hitebhyah.
Ramebhyah.
Hitaya hitabhyam hitebhyah.
If you take Rama.
Oh, okay.
Ramaihi Ramebhyah.
So Sanmitrani hitebhyah yojyante.
Okay. Guhyam. Niguhati. So Sanmitram Guhyam Nihurati. Niguhati. Sanmitre Guhyam Guhye Nihuhataha. Sanmitrani Guhyam Guhye Guhyani Nihuhataha. Nihuhanti.
Guhyam is here Dvitiya Vibhakti, right?
Guhyam
is Dvitiya Vibhakti, right?
Yeah. Guhyam. So in that case, it will be Dvitiya Vibhakti. Yeah, because it is same. Napumsakalinga, it will be the same.
Same. That's why it became correct for you.
True. Yes.
Do the next one also, Saraswati Mahoday. Next line, Swapna Mahoday.
Yeah. Gunan prakati karoti. So gunan, so sanmitram gunan prakati karoti. Sanmitre, gunan will be gunan only.
No, gunan is bahuvachanam.
So in that case, even sanmitra itself gunan. So should I change that to guna?
Gunam.
Sanmitram gunam prakati karoti. Sanmitram gunam gune. Sanmitre gunaha or gunam is an apumsakalinga.
Gunam. Gunaha, right?
Sadgunaha. So then it will become gunav. Sanmitre gunav prakati karoti kurutah. No, should it be separate? I mean, like together or
together.
Yeah, prakati kurutah. Sanmitrani gunan. Now it is coming. Gunan prakati kurvanti.
Apadgatam ityukte no, is it Napumsakalinga word? Apadgatam or is it
Apadgatam.
Apadgataha? Is it apadgataha, the word?
Apadgataha, apadgatam, apadgatena, apadgataya, like that.
Okay. So sanmitram apadgataha.
Apadgatam.
Gatam only, Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Oh, apadgatam.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Jahati.
Jahati.
Na jahati. Okay. Sanmitre apadgate na jahataha.
Apadgatena.
Gatau.
Apadgataha iti prathama vibhakti kila.
Right, so we are doing in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay, so apadgatau. Okay. And that will be apadgatan, right? Is it right? Yeah. Mitrani apadgatan na jahanti.
This we have to check actually. Jahanti will not be there.
Okay.
Jahati.
Dadati is it like
that? It right?
Yeah.
So
Dadati.
Jahati. Is it Jahati then?
Jahati.
Okay.
Plural will be
Jahati. Okay. So this is what now?
Dadati. Jahataha.
Jahati should be there.
Jahataha and Jahati.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
So what is the form for the dadati? Dadati.
Dadataha, dadati.
Yeah. Dadataha, dadati.
Dadati. So next is that is the word.
Jahati is the right one. Okay. Next sanmitram kale dadati.
So sanmitram kale dadati.
At times of need, you can say.
Sanmitre kale dadataha. Sanmitrani kale dadati.
Dadati. Okay.
Tanmitra lakshanam midam pravadanti santah. Tanmitra lakshanam midam.
Okay. There is no need to change the that into Bahuvachana.
Anila Mohoday, you're okay? I didn't change kale to...
that is Saptami, right?
Kalayoho, kaleshu.
Okay. Now there is one Subhashitam here.
Etam slokam savadhanataya uchchaihi pathata. Savadhanataya, okay.
Slowly.
Oh, sadhana slowly. I thought alert.
No,
with
no,
alertness.
No. With attention.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Savadhanena bhojanam karotu. I thought like nidanam. Do it slowly and
with attention.
I thought
with
carefully.
attention.
Carefully.
Savadhanena.
That's what is with alertness, right? Then it's same only. Naguni guninam vetti guni gunishu matsari guni cha gunaragi cha viralah saralo janah. What is this?
Naguni gunam for the Nagamani gunam probably guninam.
Naguni is one without guna.
Hey,
Naguni.
Veti is money or different?
Veti, no, sir.
Nose. We have come across this word in one of the Subhashitam. Veti.
Veti is nose. Naguni, guninam.
Nose meaning K-N-O-W-S, right?
Yeah, oh, yes. K-N-O-W-S, nose.
Yes. Okay. Yata.
Avagamyate.
Avagam.
So, the one without qualities knows the guninam. What is guninam then? With the qualities?
Guni is a person who is having very good qualities. Guninam na aguni guninam na veti.
Oh.
No, where is
Naguni? Naguni. So the one who is characterless.
Okay. Na plus aguni. Okay. Aguni basically guninam na veti. Okay. So the one without quality doesn't know the quality, but person with quality. And gunishu matsari. What is matsari?
Matsari is jealous.
Oh.
Okay. And quality.
If two people are knowledgeable in the same subject, even in other subjects also, different subjects also, they will be jealous of each other. It
if
happens.
Someone doesn't know, then he doesn't know the other guni. But if there are two gunis, then it is jealous of the other one.
Yes.
Gunishu is Saptami Vibhakti.
Gunishu.
Okay. Guni cha gunaragi. Okay. One is with qualities. Cha viralaha.
Viralaha.
Oh, okay. One with the qualities, interest or liking other one with qualities is rare. Virala is rare.
Viralaha, saralaha.
Saralaha jana. Oh, okay. Is rare, simple people.
Oh,
person.
No. What is that?
Rare, simple person.
Can you say the second line again?
Guni cha gunaragi cha virlaha sarlaha janaha. So the one with quality, liking other people with quality, is a rare, simple person.
Common man kind of a thing.
Oh.
No, not common. Rare, simple person.
Simple. Saralaha.
Simple, not common.
No.
Gunaragi meaning?
Give the full sentence of the two lines.
Okay. So it will become see, if the one without qualities doesn't know the person with qualities, and if there is a person with quality, there are other person with quality, then they are jealous. In general, jealous with the person with quality. And a person with quality, it is rare liking other person with quality who is like, and he is like simple, rare.
So guni cha, gunaragi cha. So and, right? Cha is and, right?
Yes.
Last line is like.
Can you say that loudly? Uchchaihi both.
Savadhanena uchchaihi vadatu.
Uchchaihi.
Uchchaihi vadatu.
So what is gunaragi?
Gunanuragi.
Gunaragi is one.
Gune anuragi.
One who likes the gunams?
Yes.
Yeah. The person with quality who likes others' qualities is rare,
Good
simple
qualities.
person. Rare, simple person.
Why it is rare, simple? I'm not getting that. Rare, simple person.
Yeah, because see, generally when you have the same knowledge, right? For example, I know Sanskrit, you also know Sanskrit. Oh, how can you know Sanskrit? I know better than you, right?
No. Viralaha is in Prathama Vibhakti.
Yeah. Viralaha
Saralo
Janaha. It is qualifying Janaha.
Saralaha because of the Visarga. Saralaha Janaha. So these are Visesham adjectives for the Janaha.
Janaha.
So Saralam is simple and Viralaha is rare.
Rare.
This actually
such kind of simple and rare people are such kind of simple people are rare to be found.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, actually Virla and Sarla both are like Jana is Hindi word, so that's how I know.
Sthulaksharaihi likhitanam shabdanam.
Saraswati Madhya, you can go ahead read. Oh, okay, that's another thing. Oh, Sthulaksharaihi likhitanam.
That is bold letter. Should I say that or I think maybe.
Yeah, you can go ahead. Saraswati Madhya, you can try.
Okay. Sthulaksharai means bold letters, likitanam, shabdanam, pratipadika rupani vadantu. Okay. Guninam. Guninam.
Naguni.
Naguni.
So you said bold. Which one is bold?
Green.
The green color. Okay. I'm seeing the black ones are bold.
I'll make it bold.
You can just do Control B. You can just type Control B. No, don't make big. No, don't make big. Just do Control B. It will become bold.
Okay. Highlight that and then make Control B.
Control B.
Okay, for the time being, let it be. Please let us finish. I have some more things to complete today. Okay. It has taken too much time.
Yeah, because it's new. Naguni. Na aguni. So na I will keep it aside.
No,
aguni.
You keep it together. No, it will be interesting.
Na is avyaya, right? So yes. that won't change. Na will be na only. Aguni. Aguni. It is like
Rajan. No, not Rajan. It is we have done above, right? Gunin.
Ikaranta.
Ikar.
Agunin.
Agunin. Oh, this is like this is a bahuvachana rupam. Guni.
No. It is a ekvachanam only. Gunin is guni only. Guni.
Guni, guninav, guninaha.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know which page it is. Guni, guninaha.
Guni, guninav, guninaha.
Okay. Guni.
So, agunin is the pronoun.
Agunin. Okay. Then same thing here also gunin.
Okay.
Gunin. Everywhere. Guna, Gunaragi. So that's
Matsari.
Oh, okay. Matsari, same way, right? Matsarin.
Matsarin.
Gunaragin.
Gunaragin. Okay.
This sounds like Nagin.
Nagin. Okay. So we'll, I think we have. Okay. We will go to the next topic actually.
Okay.
Shatra Pratyaya, Strilinga. Are you able to see the screen?
Shatru Pratyaya. Shatru.
Shatru.
Strilingah Prathama Vibhaktihi.
Shatru Pratyaya Strilingah. Me. Prathama Vibhaktihi. Pathanti, Pathantyau, Pathantyah. Strilingah Prathama Vibhakti. Oh, Pathanti. No, I didn't understand. So, Shatru Pratyaya is
Strilinga. Shatru Pratyaya we did Pullinga, no? Up to Tritiya Vibhakti we have done. So I thought today we will do a little bit of Strilingam also. Okay. In Strilingam, Shatru
So in Pullinga it is Patan, right?
Pullingam it is Patan. Patan. Patantau, Patantaha. Here in Strilingam it will be Patanti, Patantyau, Patantyah. Okay. And you have to pay attention here. This Patantyaha asti kila. This will be when there is Hrasva Akaraha before this Patati. Hrasva Akaraha is there, then it will be Patantyaha. If there is no Hrasva Akara, instead of that, if there is A, E, U, O, then this na will not come. Pathatyaha. One example I have done here. See, Vadati is there. Here, there is Hrasva Akaraha before this Ti. Okay. So, it will be Vadanti. Whereas, here in Shrunoti, there is Vokaraha before this Ti. So, it will be Shrunvati. It will not be Shrunvanti. That Nakara will not come. That Nakara in Bahuvachanam.
Can you go up and show the three forms once? Yeah. Patanti. Okay. Patantyo. Okay.
Patantya.
So it will become Sunuvati, Sunuvatyau, Sunuvatyah.
I will just take a picture of this and then read it leisurely what it means. Can you show? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Now
so,
do the other forms.
Preshayati. So this will be same like Patati. Usage Patati usage.
Yes.
So Preshyanti.
Yes. Dirgham is very important.
Preshayanti, Preshayantyau, Preshayantyah.
Okay. Because if we don't do this, then Presyanti and because Presyanti is Bahuvachan of Presyati itself. Oh, okay.
Yes. So difference between Shatra Pratyaya. Yes.
One second here. In the first one, Vadati, it is Hrasva. Here also Ya is Hrasva, right?
Yes. Yeah, that's why we are doing it like Vadati.
Vadanti. Okay, Vadanti. We are putting the, okay. If in this case it is Dirgham, so we are making it, we are not putting that.
Nakara.
So where did the Va come?
That is a form. That Sruna is
Shrunvati.
Shrunvati.
So actually Vadati will become
Vadanti.
Vadantau.
Vadantyau.
Vadantyau. Strilingam kila. Vadanti, vadantyau, vadantyah.
Vadantyah. Okay.
Okay, vadantyah.
Here, Shrunvati, there?
Shrunvati, Shrunvatyau, Shrunvatyah.
Yes.
So, Uttisthati. So, Uttisthati will become Uttisthanti and Uttisthantyau, Uttisthantyah.
This is same thing. Smaranti, Smaranti,
No.
Smarati, Smaranti, Smarantyau, Smarantyah.
Shaknoti. Shunvanti. Shunvanti.
No,
like
Saknoti.
Saknoti.
Yeah,
like that only.
So it will be Shunvanti, right? Shunvanti.
No.
That nakaram should not come, no? When okara is
no. No, Shunvanti, Shunoti, you did that, right?
Yeah.
See? What did we do?
Is there, right?
Nakaram is there.
No.
Na is there in this.
Nakaram is there, nakaram not there. Na.
Shunvati. So that
nasti,
is
na nasti.
So this
Shaknoti.
will be Shaknoti. So it will be
Shaknuvati.
Shaknuvati. Shaknuvatyau, Shaknuvatyah.
Oh, the Y is added here. Your doubt was good, Sarnamade, earlier. The Y is added there. Bakara. Okay.
But Y is there also. Here also.
No, that's what. So I thought that is a form for Sruno. Sruno is Sranava generally. Srunuvan and other things. So, but Sakna also is, you are telling Va will be there. Sakna.
O becomes Va. E becomes Ya, I think.
No.
Okay.
Next.
Nindati is Nindanti, Nindantyau, Nindantah. Nindantyah.
Ahvayati.
Krinati.
Krinati. Okay. Krinati. This is Dirgham. So, Krinati. Just now. Krinati. Krinatau.
Krinatyau. Strilingam.
Yeah. Krinatyau. Krinatyah. Krinatyah. Krinatya.
It will be Krina, not Krina. Krinati.
Nadyah. Krinatyah.
See, what is the rule here? Go to the rule. When
A is there.
O are there before the T. This Vadati. This is actually, these are pratyayas. Tiptas G, Siptas Tha, Mip was mas, like that. That's why we get Vadati, Vadami, all those things. Vadasi,
So
Siptas
when it is Dirgha, the Dirgha becomes Harsva. That also is there. Like Sruno became Srunva. So Sakno became Sakna.
No. Shrunvati is there.
No. No is Dirgha, right? So that becomes Srunuva.
Of course.
So similarly here, when you said Krina, it became Krina. Krinanti. Okay.
Krinati.
So it be Akaranta became Akaranta, right?
No, that is because of the O becomes Va. Here it is only A, right? A doesn't change any form. So it is Krinati.
So Akaranta becomes Akaranta, right? It changed the form, right?
Instead of, no, that is correct. But in addition to that, we added a Va there for O.
Yeah. So Shaknoti is Shaknuvati.
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 Here it will be only krinati.
Krinati.
Krinati, krinatyau, krinatyah.
Ahvayati. Ahvayanti. Ahvayatyau. Ahvayantyau. Right? Ahvayantyah. That na sound has to come, right?
Yes.
Swi karoti. So swi karoti will become swi kurvanti. Swi.
Nakaram will not come. Okaram is there. No?
Oh, okay. Swi kurvati. Swi kurvati. Then swi kurvatyau. Then swi kurvatyah.
Very good.
Pashyati. Pashyati is pashyanti, pashyantah, pashyantau, pashyantah. Pashyatyau. Pashyantau.
Not like that. Pashyantyau.
Pashyantyau. Okay. Tyau. Yeah.
Pashyantyau.
Pashyantyah.
Namaskaroti. Namaskaroti. Kurvati. Namaskurvatyau. Namaskurvatyah.
Bhakshyati, bhaksyanti, bhaksyantyau, bhaksyantah.
Bhakshayati, bhakshayanti, bhakshayantyau, bhakshayantyah.
Yeah, I said that only. Maybe my network is not correct. Okay.
Kridati. So this is akaranta. So it will be kridanti, kridantyau,
Kridanti.
Yeah, that's what I said. I mean, kridanti, kridantyau, kridantya.
Actually, we have to register it because we are so much habituated of kridanti word.
Janati. Janati. So, Janavati.
Janati.
Yeah, right. Oh, it has to be okay. Okay. Jananti.
No nakaranta. No nakaranta.
No nakara should
because
not
of the
come.
dirgham.
So
sound right. Janati, it becomes janati. Ti, janati.
See, when this ti is preceded by hrasva akara, then only nakaram will be added. Otherwise, no.
So, janati.
It is
janatyah.
Sangrinati. Sangrinati. Okay. Sangrinahati.
Sangrinhati.
Grinhati. Sangrinhati. Sangrinhatyau. Sangrinhattah.
Yeah. Sangrinhatyah.
Oh, sangrinhatyah.
Snati. Snati, again, this is dirgham. So it becomes sna.
No, that will be the same. No change.
Snati.
Snati.
Snati. Snatyau. Snatyah.
Oh,
why there is no this exception?
Yes.
This is an exception.
These are special cases.
So yati also will be like that.
Yes.
Yati, yatyau, yatyah.
Maybe Panini didn't find any other word.
Alankaroti. So it will become kurvati, kurvatyau, kurvattah. Kurvatyah. Okay. Kurvatyah.
Chinati.
Chinappi.
What is
Chinati? Chinati.
Break.
Chinati. So in this case,
here also chindati. There is a different form. Chindati.
So this is chindati.
Chind is the pratipadikam or root word. Dhatu. Chind. Chindati.
So the actual the letter preceding the T pratyaya is the halant, right?
Dakaranta.
So then it becomes chindati, 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 chindatyau, chindatyah.
Ganayati. Ganayanti. Ganayantyah. Ganayantyau. Ganayantyah.
Dadati.
Dadati. So dadati. Dadati. So it will become dadanti. No nakaranta. No nakaranta. Dadati. Dadatyau. Dadatyah.
Bibheti.
What is bibheti? What is this?
Fierce.
Bibheti. Bibheti. So
Bibhyati.
This is again, this is a dirgham, ekara is there. So then it will become bibhyati. A becomes, see, there O become va, right? Here it will become ya. Bibhyati.
Bibhyati.
Bibhyati. Bibhyatyau. Bibhyatyah. Bibhyati.
Sanchinoti. Sanchinati.
Chinvati. It will be Sanchinvati.
Sanchinvati. Sanchinvantyau.
Vatyau.
Sanchinvatyau. Sanchinvatyah.
Prapnoti. Prapnoti. Prapnavati.
Prapnuvati.
Prapnuvati. Prapnuvatyau. Prapnuvatyah.
So why here it becomes ukaranta, right?
Special case. Exception. If you have something different, we should call it exception. That's all. Right?
Vagnati. Badnati. So this is again. So it becomes badnati. Badnatyau. Badnatyah. Badnati. Okay, again. Badnati. I will make it longer. Badnati.
Yes.
Roditi. So Roditi special case looks like, no?
Ikaranta. Now first time we are having it Ikaranta.
So Rodanti.
No. Roditi will be Rudati. Rudati. Rudatyau.
Rudatyah.
So here also, this is not a dirgham. So still we don't add the nakara.
No, it's not about dirgham. Akaranta and everything else.
Okay.
It is akaranta and everything else.
Yes.
I haven't completed reading the full rules. Okay.
So kupyati. So it will become kupyanti, kupyantyau, kupyantyah.
Rachayati, rachayanti.
Don't forget.
It's like 2, 3, 4 matras come.
But you can't do that also. They say no. Trimatra kalaha dirghaha. Trimatra kalaha plutaha, like that. If it is beyond 2 matras, it will be pluta.
So only 2. So that's what.
You have rules for everything.
That's all.
No, what was that? What is beyond 2 matra?
Pluta.
So here is only 1 matra, right?
T is 1 matra. T is 2.
If Saraswati Mahoday is saying T, then it will jump to Pluta.
Saraswati Mahodaya. Can you say that again? Rachayati?
Rachayati. That's it. Rachayati.
Rachayati.
Rachayati. Rachayati. That's it.
Rachayanti.
No. I'm just making it. Just for sound, the last, it should be Rachayanti. Rachayanti.
Yeah.
You don't have to say like long. If I have to say with the nakara, Rachayanti, Rachayanti, that is enough. I mean, just for clarity, for registration, we are making it longer, but that is what I've been saying. It's just to sound.
Arohati, Arohanti, Arohantyah, Arohantyau, Arohantyah.
Okay. Then this Chaturthi Vibhakti of Pullinga, I'll give it. You can
by the way, the Shatru Pratyaya is in RSS book 2. If you look at it, all the Vibhakti forms.
Okay.
I haven't started reading, but it is there.
Okay.
See, these are the forms for Chaturthi Vibhakti Pullinga. Pathate, Patadbhyam, Patadbhyah. Okay. Can you recite the first 3 forms?
Pathate, Patadbhyam, Patadbhyah. But Pathate looks like Atmanepadi.
Yes, it looks like Atmanepadi, but
then it will be really confusing.
Anila Mahodaya, she wants you to say the first 3 vibhaktis.
Oh, for Pathata?
Patha.
Shatra.
Oh, Shatri. Okay.
Pullinga.
Pullinga. So it will become Pathan, Pathantao, Pathantah. Then Pathan. Dvitya will be Pathanam.
Pathantam.
Pathantam, Pathantau, Pathantan? No.
You people have to tell me. You people have worked, no?
That actually has not registered in my head yet.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, I haven't memorized it.
Okay, then we will do it in the next class then.
Okay.
We will memorize it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it becomes too confusing.
Yeah. We will memorize and we'll come back in the next.
Okay.
Maybe one of us can remind each other.
No, but that is totally new form, right? So I don't even recollect what we talked about.
Yeah, me too. Total blank.
Okay. Astu. Samapayamaha.
Yeah, in the Shibiram, it was very confusing for me before all these Karmani Prayoga and Kartari Prayoga, all those things, Bhave Prayoga. It got cleared by attending the Shibiram because we did a lot of exercise. That got clear. Now
you should explain in the next class what you did with Karmani Prayoga in the class. In that Shibiram.
That way, I'll also get benefited.
He will also get benefited, and those who didn't attend, if they watch this video, they will be getting a help.
And did you see that sanskritdocuments.org? I will put it in our group. It's a good, a lot of exercises. A lot of exercises in that website.
They did not cover that. Okay.
Okay, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayaha, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Swagatam.